Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to Ruchita ma'am.
Thank you so
And
much.
I'll speak from my experience about how much is too much. You know, generally, if we, in a general sense, when we stop taking stock of things, we get overwhelmed. And in today's time, there are so many things to be overwhelmed with. There's the digital platform. Although the pandemic has stopped the physical meetings, but before this, we were into so many things all at once. These meetings to attend, our to-do list and everything, and we were not finding time for ourselves. So for that, my small and humble uh, opinion would be that we should all uh, detox from the digital platform. I did for a time. I closed all my WhatsApp groups, and it is good. And we should stop spending time with people who don't actually matter in our lives, but we just are with them for the heck of it. We should be spending time with the family. Create a boundary, that this is what is important for me, and not go for things which are unnecessary and taking a toll on your time, on your good time with family, friends, or things which you love to do. I'll take an example of myself. At the age of 63, I have my grandchildren living with me, and my children, my son and daughter-in-law. Right from the beginning, I was very family oriented. I didn't join any kitties or clubs because it would sort of cut out the family time for me. And for everything, I was just too involved. Then a friend remarked that, Sudha, are you trying to play God? And it set me thinking, I was actually trying to play God in my family. I felt nothing could be right without my intervention. I had to do this. I had to financially, physically, mentally, emotionally support everybody except myself. And I was doing too much. And her one small comment made me thinking, and I stopped doing all that, to a certain extent. And it created a lot of ill feeling in the family also. They thought I was getting selfish. But I had to make them understand that I also need my time, my life. I went on holidays alone. I started reading a lot. I stopped getting too involved with their lives and let them take their own decisions. And in the end, I would say that it is good for everybody. Someday they would have to live without me, and it gives them the chance to start doing that right now, and it gives me the chance to enjoy what I do most in the whatever time I have left. Because I think it was already too late. So I would say it from person to person it differs. How much is too much? So you have to take your own, call on that.